Catherine Bernardo update. Nababati ni Catherine ng Merry Christmas. Yan o. Yan, sa post ng 01 story. Yan, new hairstyle ngayon ni Catherine. Yan, ngayong Christmas. Yan, bagay na bagay kay Catherine. Ito naman ay during nagmukbang. Sila Catherine at Alora sa restaurant ni Juday. Sa panangkain ni Catherine. Thank you, Dogo. Ayan, cheers. Ayan, nakausap ni Catherine si Juday. Sat daw ng kain. Ito pa yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. And during vacation sa Bangkok, Thailand, kasama ang kanyang team. Dito naman gaano nag-enjoy si Catherine kasama ang kanyang team. Sabi ni Catherine, behind all the glitz and chaos is my strong support system. Both a team and a family could ask for more. Love you all, you know. Yan pa yung mga picture nila ngayon, no? Naka-backless pa nga ang team Catherine. Saka si Catherine, yun, no? Yan yung mga picture nila. One by one. Yan, Merry Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Victoria Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more updates. See ya.